great. So how are you, girly?
Good.
You're doing great. I'm so happy to hear that. So like I told you, we're going to be learning how to add our hundreds and tens and our place value with big additions. So our first example, which I'm going to show you, is 402 plus 48. And I'm going to show you horizontally. Do you know what horizontal is?
No.
No? Okay, so it's when you're going side to side. So that's horizontal. So our number is 402 plus 48. Now, do you know how to add like this?
Yeah, we put the bigger number on top and the smaller number on bottom.
Uh-huh. Oh, so you're thinking like this, right? You're thinking horizontally, right? Okay, great. Is this a little bit difficult for you to add? Adding it like that?
Yeah, because if I did it up and down, I can do that easier. And
Okay.
since that doesn't have another number to fit that, they bring the 4 down.
Exactly. So it seems easier, right? Now, we're not going to solve it like this because I know it's a little difficult. I don't blame you. So I just want you to read the number and then the addition and then the equals together. Okay? So what number is this?
402 plus 48
Equals, and we don't know the equals part now. But you did bring up a good suggestion that we do it vertically. So up and down is called vertically. So we're gonna put the numbers like this. So we're gonna erase this now. And we said 402. And then what was the other number?
48 plus
48 plus 48. I love how you remembered that. So we know that the ones stay here. We know that tens stay here. And we know that hundreds stay like this, right? Now, can you do this mentally? Could you just think of the answer like right now without doing anything?
Yeah.
Yeah? What do you think the answer would be?
Or I think it could be 8 plus 2.
Is it a little hard?
No, because look, and I know that Michelle said if it's not smaller than the number and it goes to 11 or a higher number, you always use that 1 to put it on top.
Oh, and where are you putting it on top on?
The tens.
The tens. So what would this become?
A 0.
Oh, okay. And then what does this become?
A 5.
A 5? Because you said there's a ones, right, that you bring up?
Yeah.
And then what does this become?
A 4, and then you put the 4 down.
And then you put it down.
Answer is 450.
That's amazing. You are able to do that mentally? That's crazy. Now, that's also really good that you're able to do it like,
Up and down.
yeah, up and down, which is vertically, and how you're able to do mental math. Now, what we're gonna do with this next problem is that I'm gonna show you a way that you could do it visually. Visually, do you know what that means?
No.
Visually means how you could see it. And we're gonna use that by using my place value discs. So I'm gonna pull up another problem. And let's take, what's our next problem? We're gonna have 216 plus, and we're doing it vertically because it's much more easier for us, right?
Mm-hmm.
Plus 192.
216 plus 192.
Exactly. So we know that this is our hundreds, we know this is our tens, and we know this is our ones. With this, to make it visual, I'm going to use my place value discs. So we know that the answer goes here, so I'm going to leave space for that. Right here, yes, the camera can get it.
I think
Or-
we know the answer already.
Uh-huh. Well, I'm gonna show you how I do it, and then this next problem you could do by yourself with my method. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So here's my ones. Oh no, that's not my ones, that's my hundreds.
Because the 1 is the first one.
From here. This is our tens. And then
A 1.
our ones. Perfect.
I think we should taught us this way already. I don't remember.
Really? Okay, so cool. So you're just gonna watch me and then you get to do it and you get to show me how much you know. Okay? Or if there's something new that you learned. So for our hundreds, I'm gonna use our blue. So how many hundreds do we have here?
We have 2.
2, right? So what I'm gonna do is put 2 circles, 2 blue circles with the 100, with the H in the inside. So we said that's
That
1.
stands for 100.
Yes, ma'am, that does stand for 100. Then we're gonna put 2. And do we have any other 100?
We have 1 more 100 because
100.
that one on the bottom.
Yes, so we're gonna put that 100 on the bottom. Great. So how many would this be?
300.
300. Perfect. Okay, now moving on to our tens. What does our first 10 say?
110.
110. Okay, we're gonna do a circle. We're gonna put 110. And in our bottom, how many tens do we have?
9.
9. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
There's an easier
6,
way to make
7,
a 9.
8, 9. Oh, you know an easier way?
Yeah.
How?
6 plus 3 equals 9.
Oh, so you're combining 2 separate numbers together.
Like
That's
add 6, like 3 on the bottom, 3 on the top, and then 3 more on the bottom. That equals 9.
Yes. You look like you would get multiplication because that's exactly what it is. So, we have 9 tens in total and 1. If we add that together, how many tens do we have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
10. So, what does 10 tens make?
10 tens make 100.
Okay, so would we leave this here or would we move it?
I think we would move it.
Move it. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to cross out all these 10 tens and we're going to make a
100.
no, we're going to make 100 because 10 tens, remember you said 10 tens make
100.
100. And where would we put it?
Right there.
And the hundreds place value, right?
And 3 plus 1 equals 4. So that would equal 400.
400, that's correct. Okay, now we finally get to move to our ones. So how many ones do we have?
6.
Okay, let's move on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those are our 6 ones. And how many more ones do we have?
2.
2. Okay.
And I know what 6 plus 2 is.
Oh, what is it?
8.
8. Okay, we don't need to move it anywhere, right?
No.
No, because it's just 1 digit. So, with all of this together, we know that we have how many tens? Not tens, sorry. How many ones?
For the ones, we have 8.
8. Perfect. How many tens do we have?
10. Well, we have 10. I got the answer because how you did that right there. Then that's how I got the answer.
So when I took these away, does it mean I still have tens or did I take it away?
You still have you took the tens away.
So this would make it a what?
A 0.
Exactly. You're doing amazing. Next time I'm gonna just erase it so you don't get confused, okay? So let's do that real quick. Where's my eraser? Because you're right, we don't need this anymore. We already turned it into, yeah, because what did we turn it into?
100.
Exactly. And how many hundreds do we have?
4.
4. And we put it right here.
It's 480.
And
80. 408.
8. Yeah. Do you understand why you got confused there?
Yeah.
Because 80 would be this. 480. But did we have any tens? Did we have any tens?
No.
No. Did we have 8 ones?
We had, yes. We
Uh-huh.
had 8 ones.
So it's not 480, it's 408. But yeah, you caught your mistake. Good job. Okay, now for this last problem, you have a whiteboard right in front of you. And then you're gonna do it and then we'll check it together, okay?
Okay. So you're gonna give me the problem and I'm gonna write it down and then I'm gonna solve it how you did it to get my answer.
Yes, ma'am. You're such a great listener. Good job. You 216 plus 192.
Okay. Do I write that down?
Yes, ma'am. And don't forget to do your discs place value chart.
Okay.
So what are you starting off from?
I'm starting off from the ones and then I'm going to the 101. How much what I said? 1 and then I'm going off to the 101 because like 1, I'm going to the ones and then going to the 10s, going to the 100.
You want to do it that way?
Yeah.
Okay,
That's
let's
how
do
I
it that
do it.
way. So what are our first ones?
Our first ones. Hold on, I'm still waiting.
Oh, I'm sorry. Ooh, amazing. That looks beautiful. Okay, so like you said, we could start with our ones. So if you want to start off, which ones are first ones?
We have the 6 ones.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so we'll do our 6 ones.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. And what else?
And we have 2 more ones.
Mm-hmm. Okay, how would we count that?
We will count by the 6 and then going 6, 7, 8.
Okay, great. So how many ones do we have?
8.
Okay, and where would we put it?
Under the 2.
Mm-hmm. Perfect. Now for tens.
We have 1, 10, and 9 tens.
Okay, so let's do that. 1, 10. Okay, great. So what would be our total?
Our total will be since they have 9 plus 1 is 10. So it'll be 10,
So 10 tens. What is 10 tens?
100,
100. So that turns into 100. So where would we put the 100?
and the 100's place.
Uh-huh. So you're gonna put 1 disc of hundreds. And what happens to these?
They go away.
They go away. Okay.
They go somewhere else.
Yeah, because they already went here, right?
Mhm.
I put a little eraser there if you want to erase your tens. Perfect.
We have a bag of markers and these erasers.
Yes, ma'am, we do. Okay, what else do we have to do now?
We add, so right there, since those vanished, I remember from the other one,
Mhm.
so that in there that becomes a 0.
A 0, right?
Yeah.
Right here. Amazing, you caught that. Great. And then what's next?
What's next is we have 200 and a 1.
Okay, so we added on, right? So we got 100
And that equals 4.
4. So in total, where would we put the 4?
Like under the 1.
Uh-huh. And what's our answer?
408.
That's amazing! You got it! I'm so proud of you. Here, high five. Wee! We did great! And then let me show the camera your work. She was following along. Cute! You did amazing. I'm very proud of you. Like super duper proud of you. If you want, you can start putting your markers and the eraser inside the bag.
Do I erase the whole?
Yes, ma'am. Please.